Monday with monthly favorites. This is April favorites. It's already almost May. It's crazy. I feel like these months just go by so fast. If you have kids and you feel like your weeks, months go by so fast, let me know down in the comments, because sometimes I feel like the days are long, but the weeks and months are like super short. So here we are, spring, it's almost May, and I'm gonna share with you some of my favorite products I've been loving. The first is an app that I mentioned on Instagram. It's called Drop. It's really cool because if you already do like your normal shopping, like you guys know, I'm obsessed with Starbucks. No surprise here. You could earn points through the Drop app and then basically redeem them for gift cards. I've already redeemed three Starbucks gift cards, which is great. They're $5 Starbucks gift cards. That's plenty for my coffee that I get. And basically all you do is you download the app. I'll have a link down below. You'll download the app, you'll link your bank card, and basically anytime you spend money at like Starbucks or Best Buy, Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, like Sephora, there's so many different companies that they work with. Anytime you spend money there, you're going to earn points, and the more points you have, you obviously can redeem them for things like Starbucks or Sephora gift cards. And so like I said, I have been using it for just about a month now, and I am already earning my third Starbucks $5 gift card. Granted, I do spend quite a bit of money there, but I do have a code. So for the first 100 people that sign up, you will get a $5 Starbucks gift card on me. So you'll just click the link down below, download it. I did run this promo as well on my Instagram, and it did really well. All 100 of you got your Starbucks gift cards, which is great. So we're doing that again today. You're gonna get a $5 gift card for the first 100 people that sign up using my link. So check the description box below if you want to get a free $5 Starbucks coffee on me. So thank you so much, Drop, for partnering with me on this video. Now let's get into the makeup favorites. I only have a few because I didn't want to like repeat a lot of the favorites that I had last month. So if you missed last month's favorites video, make sure you check it out and you'll see kind of like my favorite foundations and stuff I'm loving, because that really hasn't changed. But there's a few products in here that I kind of pulled out. Some are new, some are old, but I just kind of rediscovered again. And I'm gonna share them with you today. The first is the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Pressed. You guys know, if you've followed me for a long time, that I love this powder. It is absolutely amazing for setting your under eyes. It's kind of like Facetune for your under eye area. I love this for my pores. If you felt like the Urban Decay Velvetizer or maybe the Becca Hydra Mist, which I also love those two, if you felt those kind of darkened up your concealer, try this, because this does not darken your concealer. I don't really notice much of an issue with that happening for me personally, but I know some people do have that issue with those other two powders I mentioned. So if that is your issue, get this. It really does just smooth your pores. So I do use this kind of just under my eyes and in my pore area. And then another powder, which is new, and I'm loving it. It's this new Hourglass powder. I've only been using it for about a week and a half, but I really, really like it. It is their Veil Translucent Setting Powder. First of all, the packaging, oh, it's so pretty. And then you open it up, and it has like this little, like, look how pretty that is. It's like so bougie looking. This powder is phenomenal. It just gives a beautiful, you can use this all over your face, and that's kind of how I use it. It's just a beautiful finishing powder. Just kind of gives a gorgeous, like, soft focus effect to your skin. So I really like this powder. It's newer and I'm loving it. Also, keeping with the Hourglass train, I pulled these out recently. This is the Ambient Luminous Bronze Light and the Diffused Bronze Light. You guys know I've been loving my Butter Bronzer, but like, where did she go? She is about done. Like, I'm having a hard time scraping around the edges. So I was trying to figure out, you know, what bronzer do I want to use for the next couple months? And I pulled these out. This one is the Diffused Bronze Light. So you can see there's quite a bit of lighter color, like a light creamy vanilla with this beautiful bronze. But when you put it all together, you get a really nice, almost kind of cooler toned bronze shade. This is going to be great if you have fair skin. It does have a little bit of a sheen to it, but I feel like it looks really pretty and glowy. Now, if you are a little bit darker skin tone or you like a little darker bronzer, the Luminous Bronze Light, you can see, has more of a pinky beige in there with a lot more of the brown veining. Also a lot warmer. So I kind of use this one for a little bit more of the contoured look. And then I used the Luminous for that bronzed all over, because it does have a little bit more of a glow than this one does. This one's a bit more matte. This one definitely has a little bit more of that glowy shimmer, but they're just so beautiful. They're finely milled. They just glide onto the skin really nicely. They're not patchy. I forgot how much I love these. And so I pulled those out this month and I've really been enjoying them. All right, the next is this palette. I've worn this nearly every single day this month since I got it. I bought it, I think I bought it before, or did I buy it with the Sephora VIB? I can't remember, but I've used it ever since I've gotten it. So whether that's been half the month or whatever, pretty much every day I've been wearing it. I'm also wearing most of these colors today. I love this palette so much. Perfect brow bone highlight color, perfect transition, perfect color to deepen up the crease. This is great for the outer V or for a liner. This color right here I've been putting all over the lid, and it just gives that really pretty like coppery, effortless smoky eye. That's just so pretty. So I love that. I also wore this in a tutorial, but I wore this color in a video recently. Gorgeous, kind of a chunky glitter, but it looks super pretty on the eyes. This is a great color just for that, you know, kind of peachy champagne shimmer lid. This is great to add a little pop of, you know, warmth right in that outer part of your crease, kind of right above the brow bone. I love this palette. I use it so much. So glad I bought it. It's the Wanted palette. Highly, highly recommend this. This is amazing. I've been using this every day. The Pat McGrath liner. Now these are expensive. This liquid liner is expensive, and the packaging honestly is kind of cheap. It's literally just a sticker on there that tells you what the product is, and then it has Pat McGrath like on the liner, but the product inside is magical. It is what I have on my upper lash line. It is matte black, super easy to use. It's funny because the Pat McGrath products are so expensive, but I find the packaging is some of like the most cheapy packaging out of most high-end makeup brands. Like even their highlighters, it's literally like a cheapy looking sticker stuck on it. So I don't love the packaging of most of them, especially for the high price tag. Granted, they're like packaged when you buy stuff, sometimes has a bunch of sequins in it, and that's cute, but the actual like makeup is packaged kind of cheap. This is a beautiful, amazing, black, rich, matte, long wearing, easy to use liquid liner. I think it's my new favorite. You guys heard me like kind of meh over this palette because when I swatched it, it literally was the most underwhelming sparkle ever. But I have it on my eyes today. I don't know if you can see the sparkle. Maybe I'll zoom in. Okay, I don't know if you can see the sparkle that we have going on, but it's pretty amazing. At least in person, it's very sparkly. It's really pretty. I'm wearing this color Prism all over my lid. I just put it on with my finger. So swatching this out where you swirl and drag a swatch across, it's gonna be garbage. But if you swirl and press and tap on your lid, it's actually magic. So I'm really glad I decided to hold on to this and give it a go and really like not just go off of my like quick little swatches, because the swatch and drag, you know, the dragging it across, really you're gonna get a crappy swatch. It's gonna be patchy looking. It's not gonna look good. But if you swirl and tap it on, the glitter has held up. I mean, I've had this on for about 2 hours now, and there's still a ton of glitter. You do get a little glitter fallout, so I'm sure if you use like a glitter glue, it'll last a lot better. I don't have any glitter glue on. I don't even have like a shadow on my lid. I just kind of had my concealer. I set my concealer, I did my crease, I did my outer V, and then I tapped this on. So everything that you see on this part of my lid is strictly this shadow. There's no purple shadow underneath. There's no shadow underneath other than just my concealer that I set. So I'm loving this. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm glad I decided to hold on to it. These little Dior's, these are amazing. I'm wearing the color, this one, in, what are you called? Glitterati. It's a really pretty soft pink. It has glitter in it, which is really pretty. I picked this up with the Sephora VIB sale. It's just a light, kind of not super opaque, not like a real creamy formula, just kind of like a light jelly formula with some glitter in it. The glitter, I don't feel it. I don't really see a ton of glitter on my lips, but it's a really beautiful color. I've already shown these in my haul, but I'll show you again. Then I got the one Platinum. This one I've worn, and it's a really soft lavender, and it does have some glitter. And then I got one of the cream formulas. This one's Lovely D. That name just like is weird to me. I don't know why. Definitely more of a cream formula, a little bit more of a kind of warmer pink versus this one's which has a little bit more of that blue base in it. But I really like these. I think that they're very comfortable. They're not like the most long wearing product I've ever worn, but I'm kind of like getting over the mattes, you know? I'm like kind of tired of my lips feeling like the desert, and I'm kind of enjoying more of that glossy lip, and these really do that. Also, these L'Oreal's, I literally cannot stop using this. I use it every day. Shining Peach. I'll like put something on and then I'll go back in and end up putting this color, this formula back on my lips. They have a ton of different colors, so if you don't like this color, they have berry colors, reds, oranges, a bunch more nudes. Dazzling Dough is really good if you like more of those kind of gray toned nudes. That one's really, really pretty. That is it for my favorites. I don't have a ton of new ones. I didn't want to mention everything basically that I've been using last month and this month. So these are some new things that I've incorporated into my everyday makeup routine that I'm really, really loving. So let me know some of your favorites down in the comments below. Don't forget to check out the Drop app. The link will be down in the description box below. Take advantage of a free Starbucks coffee on me. It's to the first 100 people that sign up. So check that out. Also, if you do sign up for Drop and you get your $5 Starbucks gift card, let me know in the comments what you ordered or what you're ordering, what's your favorite Starbucks drink, let me know. All right, guys, I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.